Hey guys, welcome back to the Farm Boys video. And as you can see, the flood's gone down a lot. We've just heard Sky barking really loudly, so we're gonna check out what it is.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
We've just come outside and to look at the flood waters, and we've seen a flood victim trying to escape from the flood waters. Here it is. It's a 2-meter python. The diamond python has a beautiful pattern. Look at the beautiful diamonds on it. It eats possums, rats and birds and chooks. It was hanging around our chook pen trying to eat one of our baby chooks. Another interesting fact about the diamond python, it doesn't have any venom, so it strangles its victims to death and swallows them whole. Another interesting fact about the diamond python, it's so strong that it can climb up almost everything. We're releasing him in our woodpile for the winter. Look at him go. That was really beautiful, guys. Seeing that diamond python. I hope you've learnt some facts about diamond pythons.
So like, share, and subscribe.